Time flies, 2024 ends. Moving forward with craftsmanship. Hold on faith to stick to our original intention. This is LCSIGN. This year, we participated FESPA Global Print Expo in Europe, ISA International Sign Expo in Florida. Communicating with customers from different countries, listen to their views on signs. Through their sharing, we better understand what we should do next, and how to do better. This year, we are still making continuous improvements. From technology to machines, from machines to production processes. Standardize everything as much as possible. Working hard in small places. Creating new value through innovation. Always adhere to quality first. Improve the technical content continuously, just to provide the best sign. Make every customer satisfied. Shipping worldwide, over 100 countries. Continue to provide high quality and efficient services. Persistence creates good signs. Feedback from customers is not only a driving force for our progress, but also an opportunity for us to improve. 2024 is also our 14th anniversary. Looking back on this year, we have moved forward in the face of challenges. Looking forward to the future, we will embrace change and continue to innovate. With perseverance and passion, keep moving forward, explore the unknown, set off again.